Right, here's a Casablanca Delta II in the house over here, so we're going to turn this thing on low. It's on a 4-speed wall control, so it's a really good fan. It moves a whole ton of air. It's not very fast, but it moves quite a bit of air because of the steeply pitched blades to it. It's a really good air mover, and it's old and everything. It's a really good fan compared to what I see usually. Here's medium. See? Shakes a little bit, but not too much. It's a really good air mover. Right, it really does push out a good amount of air. Here's medium high. Moving a whole ton of air. And here's high speed. I have 2 of these in my school, and one of them wobbled pretty badly, which you all know. And one of them's broken because the chain is completely ripped out. So yeah, that's the 4-speed wall control demonstration. Alright, here's the 3-speed demonstration of the Casablanca Delta II. And everything. So you can see this is like the 3-speed demonstration. You can see, I'm gonna start the fan off on low. It has this crystal ball to it, which you all know. Looks kind of cool with it. It's a really nice looking fan. It was a whole ton of air on high. It's a Delta II. Delta IIs are known for their power as well as good quality. And I already have a Delta II already now in my collection. Which it doesn't work right now, but however I'm going to get that to work probably. If it doesn't work, well then I'm going to have to party it out. Then I might as well make myself a Delta II. So here's low. And here's medium for it. This thing really takes off. Medium. And here's high to it. It really does move a whole ton of air. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching.